All right, so the purpose of this video is to demonstrate concept builders, assignment, angle, launch, projectile, mathematics. And on this one, I wanted to just go straight to the most difficult one to show how to do that. I have assigned all 3 levels of that, but if you can do the most difficult one, I'm sure the lower level one should be okay. So I thought I would start with here. So it says, projectile is launched at an angle of theta above the horizontal and lands at the same height it was launched. Use the given information to complete the remainder of the table. So essentially what this is giving for you here is you have 5 different practice questions, 5 different scenarios. For example, A is saying if this angle right here, is 38. I'm so sorry. That's confusing. It's scenario A is saying that this angle right here is 62.8 degrees. And it's saying if the initial velocity, that's this total one here, is 38.9. And then you're supposed to solve for all these final things as this goes. And this is not simple. This does require extensive use and expertise with the equations. And so I think what I'm going to do is I will all right, so I was able to upload something here that will help. So if we go back over here, one thing to bear in mind, T up is basically just meaning the time it takes for this to get all the way up to here. And what that really is saying is it's T up is just basically 1/2 of T total. That's because the time progresses along here at a steady point, and the time when it's right here is halfway. So this is half of the time, and then this is the other half of the time over here. So this T up is 1/2. T up is 1/2 of T total. Distance on the X is, of course, how far does it travel horizontally, and distance Y is how high does it go. Now, when you're working on this one, we strongly want to connect this to some work that we've already done in class. I'm gonna pause it and pull that document up as well. So I pulled this up. You're going to strongly connect this back to the Throw Something lab that we worked on. We essentially did much of this when we worked here. We found horizontal distance and we found max height. Those are both done, as we can see on here. The only thing that's different is sometimes you have different scenarios on these, and I'll probably make another video working different examples, but that's just a brief overview of how this would work.